What's something people don't know about the coolest sports cars? They don't always have to break the bank. Let's dive into the top 5 most underrated sports cars you must have. Number 5. The Mazda RX-8 rotary engine magic. Anyone? It's a beauty on the road and won't empty your wallet. Number 4. Nissan 370Z. This baby's got the curves and the power. Perfect for those weekend joyrides. Number 3. Subaru BRZ. Lightweight, nimble, and an absolute blast to drive. Did someone say drift? Number 2, Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Don't sleep on this one, it's got style and speed for days. And finally, number 1, Mitsubishi 3000 GT. Turbocharged goodness from the 90s you'll love. Ready to hit the road? Let's ride in style.